Hey, Jake. How's your English learning going?
Not so great. I keep overthinking before I speak.
That's the problem. Stop thinking, start talking.
But what if I make mistakes?
Who cares? Mistakes help you learn.
Easy for you to say. You're fluent.
I wasn't always fluent. I practiced a lot.
So, what should I do?
Speak without fear. Just let the words flow.
But I don't always know the right words.
Then use the words you do know.
Okay, let me try. I like, food.
That's great. But say it confidently.
I like food.
Haha. Perfect. Now, what kind of food?
I like pizza. I like burgers. I like noodles.
See? You're talking.
Yeah, but this is simple stuff.
That's how you start. Simple sentences first.
Okay. I like pizza because it is delicious.
Fantastic. Why else do you like pizza?
It is easy to eat.
Perfect sentence. Keep going.
And it has cheese.
Yes. And cheese is amazing.
Wow, I'm really talking.
Exactly. No thinking, just talking.
But what if I forget a word?
Then use another word or explain it.
Like, if I forget spicy, I can say hot taste.
Yes. That's called paraphrasing.
That's a cool trick.
It helps a lot. And don't stop speaking.
Okay. I will try my best.
That's the spirit. Let's talk about hobbies.
All right. My hobby is,
Don't think. Just say it.
my hobby is playing football.
Awesome. Why do you like football?
It is fun. It is exciting.
Great. Who is your favorite footballer?
Cristiano Ronaldo. He is strong. He is fast.
Amazing. You are speaking English fluently.
Am I? Wow, this is working.
See? Just keep going.
But what about grammar?
Forget grammar for now. Just communicate.
That sounds scary.
It's actually freeing. Just talk.
Okay. I wake up early every day.
Awesome. What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Fantastic. Keep going.
Then I eat breakfast. I go to school.
You're doing so well.
This is fun.
See? Speaking English is not scary.
Yeah. I feel more confident now.
That's the key, confidence.
I will practice more.
Good. And I will help you.
Thanks, Emma. You're the best.
Anytime. Let's keep talking.
All right. Let's talk about travel.
Good topic. Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Japan.
Nice. Why Japan?
Because I love anime.
Haha. Great reason.
Also, I want to see cherry blossoms.
Beautiful. And Japanese food is great too.
Yes. I want to eat sushi.
That sounds delicious.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to visit France.
Cool. Why France?
Because of the Eiffel Tower.
That's famous.
Yes. And I love French food.
Like croissants?
Yes. And cheese.
Wow, now I'm hungry.
Haha. Let's talk about food again.
Okay. I love spicy food.
Nice. Like what?
Like curry and hot wings.
Yum. I love those too.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
Pasta is delicious.
Yes. I love creamy pasta.
Me too. I like Alfredo sauce.
Great taste.
This is really fun.
Because you're talking without thinking.
Yeah. I feel free.
Keep practicing every day.
I will.
And one day, you'll be fluent.
I believe it.
So, what else do you like to talk about?
Maybe movies?
Great. What's your favorite movie?
I love action movies.
Nice. Which one?
I really like the Avengers.
Awesome. Who's your favorite superhero?
Spider-Man. He's so cool.
Yes. He's funny and strong.
Exactly. Who is your favorite?
I love Iron Man.
Ah, Tony Stark is so smart.
Yes. And he's really funny.
I want to be like him.
Then start inventing something.
Ha. I wish.
Never say never.
You're right. Anything is possible.
That's the spirit.
Speaking of dreams, what's your dream job?
I want to be a writer.
That's cool. What kind of books?
Fantasy books, like Harry Potter.
Wow. That's amazing.
What about you?
I want to be a pilot.
That's an exciting job.
Yes. I want to travel the world.
That sounds wonderful.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Where have you been?
I've visited Italy and Spain.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, Italy has the best pizza.
I need to go there someday.
You should. It's beautiful.
I love learning about new places.
That's a great way to grow.
Yes. And English helps me travel.
Exactly. English is an international language.
That's why I must learn it well.
You're already doing great.
Thanks. You're a great teacher.
Haha. I try my best.
I should practice more.
Yes. Talk every day.
But what if I have no one to talk to?
Talk to yourself in the mirror.
That sounds weird.
It works. Try it.
Okay, I will.
Also, listen to English songs.
I love English music.
Who's your favorite singer?
I love Ed Sheeran.
Nice choice. His songs are amazing.
Yes. I like Perfect.
That's a beautiful song.
Music helps me learn English.
Yes. Lyrics improve vocabulary.
I should sing along.
Yes. That's great practice.
I will try that.
Good. What about books?
I don't read much.
You should start.
What books should I read?
Short stories in English.
Sounds good.
Also, watch movies with subtitles.
That's a great idea.
The more you listen, the better you speak.
That makes sense.
And always think in English.
How do I do that?
Describe your day in English.
Oh. Like now, I am drinking coffee.
Exactly.
That's easy.
Yes. Just make it a habit.
I will try.
Great. You're improving fast.
Thanks.